Because the Chinese government is committing genocide.
Because the Chinese government is trying to eliminate Tibetan identity.
Because the Chinese government is destroying democracy in Hong Kong.
Because the Chinese government is trying to eliminate Mongolian identity.
Because the Chinese government is persecuting Chinese citizens.
Because the Chinese government is threatening to take over Taiwan.
Because the Chinese government is trying to use the Olympics to say all of this is okay.
Because without action, things will get worse.
Because the world said never again.
Because we can stop the suffering.
Because history teaches us we can make a difference.
Because we have hope.
Because hope.
Hope.
Because you can help us.
You can help us.